Hello friends, it is Running Kimono and I hope you're all doing great. We have a deal here to get 10 free Butterfingers completely for free at Walgreens. Like, oh my gosh. One of my subscribers, Erin, sent this deal over to me on Instagram. She's like, hey, have you been getting your Butterfingers? And I'm like, what? I'm like, I'm tired from the event. The clearance event at Dollar General. And she's like, no, you got to check this out. She's like, it's completely free with the Checo 51 app. And I'm like, what? And I looked into it and she's on the money right about this. So this is a really sweet deal. Every pun intended. Okay, so if you look in the weekly flyer, the Butterfingers, these sort of self-serve candies are 2 for $1, which is a really good price point. So there it is, and I checked online, in-store, same price point, 2 for $1. Now, if you go to the Checkout 51 app, they have a rebate for $1 back when you buy 2, and you can do it up to 5 times. So see where that 5x is? It would show 1x. Just keep pressing it. So if you're going to grab 10, you would claim the full 5. And if you look at all of the verbiage, it's either the single or the share size, which is the larger one. We're going for the singles. And again, boom, here it is, 2 for $1. I also looked up the price online thinking like the ad was mysteriously wrong, but no, that is the price in the store. I will not be doing this deal because for whatever reason, this specific candy bar, if you have a lot of dental work, fillings, crowns, that sort of thing, because it's that taffy consistency when you bite into it, I almost feel like a filling or something's going to pop. I know. So I won't be testing this out, but Erin did try it out and it worked beautifully for her, but I will not because I do not need this temptation in my house. Okay, looking at the math, grabbing 10 of these, it's 5 on the nose. Then you're going to do the submission 5 times to Checkout 51. And basically, you would just press it 5 times plus and then just photograph your receipt and you would get your $5 back, making it essentially for free. And a lot of you will probably say, hey, do you have an affiliate link for the Checkout 51 app? Unfortunately, they're not doing that anymore. So if you don't have this app, just go to the App Store and perhaps it'll be on the app for you. Hopefully you all have the same one. And if you really love Butterfingers, I would check on Thursday morning if there is a reset for this, because there might be. So you maybe can get up to 20 Butterfingers this week. So that's a lot of candy. You might lose a tooth. You absolutely need a balance for this, guys. So on your receipt, you need to have a couple of dollars on there. So if you were just going to use $5 in Walgreens cash to cover it and try it with the Checkout 51 app, I think Checkout 51, they might just deny your receipt and say they can't find anything. They've done that to me a couple of times. So if you were going to buy some Crest or something to have a balance on your receipt to show that you paid for it, you need that. Just from my experience before in the past with Checkout 51. Okay, guys, and if you missed it, I posted a haul earlier today where I got a $54 basket down to $2.20 for all of this magic, which is a really great deal, and I'm just delighted with it. It was a really great haul. I unfortunately put a cicada in there saying that there were some bugs with it because my register rewards were not printing and I had problems with digital coupons not coming off. I can't look at that cicada bug. It's freaking me out. So I had to change it around. So for some of you, before you write to me saying, what did you do? That bug was creeping me out. So I got rid of it. But I also know that other girls, specifically in the Midwest, like Ohio, and then I think a couple people in Florida sent me messages saying their register rewards on the 4-back when you buy 2 for Head and Shoulders and Oral-B, it was not printing. But for other ladies or gentlemen, it was printing. So I don't know what precisely is going on, but I do know that the issues I had, other people were also having it, and they sent me messages saying, hey, this is happening at more than one store. So I just wanted to be really transparent. I think around early this afternoonish, a couple friends were going out and trying to emulate that Head and Shoulders deal, and they were having the same issue where the $4 register reward was not printing. So good luck with the Butterfinger deal, and always check the Checkout 51 rebate app that they still have some, because sometimes when there's a free item like this, we saw it with the Clorox a couple weeks back, they tend to go quickly. So the sooner you get on this deal, the better, especially if you love this candy. Good luck with this one, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.